Have you ever needed help but didn't know what to say during a customer service call?
Don't worry. Today you'll learn exactly how to speak confidently on the phone in English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak With Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm calling because I have a problem with my recent order.
Thank you for contacting customer support. My name is Alex. I'll be happy to help you today.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Emma Wilson.
Thank you, Emma. Could you also provide your order number?
Yes, it's ORD 458721.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I look up your order.
Sure, take your time.
Thank you for waiting. I found your order. I can see that it was delivered yesterday.
That's correct. The package arrived on time.
Great. Could you tell me what seems to be the problem?
I ordered a pair of wireless headphones. They look brand new, but they won't turn on.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you tried charging them?
Yes, I charged them for nearly 3 hours, but they still don't work.
I understand. Let's see what we can do to solve this.
Thank you. I hope we can fix the problem.
Don't worry. I'll do my best to help you today. Before we continue, I need to verify a few details for security purposes.
Of course. Go ahead.
Could you confirm the email address you used for this order?
Yes, it's emma.wilson@email.com.
Perfect. Thank you for confirming your information. Thank you for verifying your account. I can now access all the details of your order.
Great. I hope we can find a solution.
I'm sure we will. Could you describe exactly what happens when you try to use the headphones?
When I press the power button, nothing happens. There are no lights and no sound.
I see. Did you use the charging cable that came in the box?
Yes, I did. I even tried another charging cable, but the result was the same.
Thank you for checking that. That information is very helpful. Could you also confirm whether the charging indicator light turns on?
No, it never lights up.
Understood. It sounds like the device may have a manufacturing defect.
That's disappointing. I was really looking forward to using them.
I completely understand how you feel. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you. I appreciate your understanding.
Let me check your warranty status. One moment, please.
No problem. I'll wait.
Thank you for your patience. Your headphones are covered by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty.
That's good to hear. What are my options?
We can send you a replacement at no additional cost. Or, if you prefer, we can issue a full refund.
I think I'd prefer a replacement. I really like this model.
Excellent. I'll arrange a replacement for you.
Do I need to return the defective headphones first?
Yes. We'll email you a prepaid return shipping label. Simply print the label, attach it to the package, and drop it off at the nearest shipping location.
That sounds easy. Will I have to pay any shipping fees?
Not at all. We'll cover all the shipping costs.
That's wonderful. Thank you for making the process so simple.
You're very welcome. We want to make sure you're completely satisfied with your purchase.
I really appreciate your excellent customer service.
I've completed the replacement request. Everything has been submitted successfully.
That's great news. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Before I finish, I'd like to confirm your shipping address.
Sure, please go ahead.
I have 2458 Maple Street, apartment 12B, Chicago, Illinois. Is that correct?
Yes, that's my current address.
Perfect. Your replacement will be shipped to that address.
Wonderful. When should I expect it to arrive?
Standard shipping usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
That's faster than I expected.
We'll also send you a tracking number by email. You'll be able to track your package at every step.
That's very helpful. I always like knowing where my package is.
I completely understand. You'll receive an email as soon as a replacement leaves our warehouse.
Perfect. What should I do if I don't receive the email?
First, check your spam or junk folder. If it's not there, please contact us again.
I will. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. Do you have the original box and all the accessories?
Yes, I kept everything exactly as it came.
That's excellent. Please return the headphones with the charging cable and the instruction manual.
No problem. I'll pack everything carefully.
Thank you. That will help us process your return more quickly.
Is there a deadline for sending the package back?
Yes. Please return it within the next 14 days.
That's plenty of time. I'll send it tomorrow.
Perfect. Once the return package is scanned by the shipping company, your replacement order will move to priority processing.
That's fantastic. I really appreciate how smoothly you've handled everything today.
It's been my pleasure. We're always here whenever you need assistance.
Your replacement request has been completed successfully. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes. I'd like to know how I can check the status of my replacement order.
That's easy. Once your replacement has been shipped, you'll receive an email with a tracking link. You can also sign into your account and view your order status anytime.
That's very convenient. I'll keep an eye on my email.
Excellent. If there are any delays, we'll notify you immediately.
I appreciate that. Good communication is really important.
We completely agree. We want every customer to have a smooth experience.
I have one more question. What if the replacement has the same problem?
If that happens, please contact us right away. We'll investigate the issue and provide another replacement or a full refund.
That's very reassuring. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. Customer satisfaction is our highest priority.
I can definitely see that. You've been very professional and helpful.
Thank you for your kind words. We truly appreciate your patience.
I'll definitely continue shopping with your company.
We're happy to hear that. We look forward to serving you again.
Before I hang up, could you give me my support case number?
Certainly. Your case number is CS874521. Please keep it for your records.
I'll write that down. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that answers all my questions.
Wonderful. Thank you for calling customer support. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful expressions. I'm calling because I have a problem with my order.
Could you provide your order number, please?
I'd like a replacement instead of a refund.
Your product is still under warranty.
When will my replacement arrive?
We'll send you a tracking number by email.
Could I have my support case number, please?
Thank you for contacting customer support.
Excellent work. These are real English expressions you can use during customer service phone calls.
Practice them regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become speaking English.
Thanks for learning with Speak With Us. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who is learning English.
We'll see you in our next real-life American English conversation. Goodbye and have an amazing day.